we're gonna be unboxing a fidget. That's my fidget spinner. This is my regular one. We're gonna be unboxing this one. Sorry guys. So let's do this. So we got the first one. It's the Vibe fidget spinner. It says right here, balance, pinch, and spin and twirl. Back on here, it says, relieve stress, strengthen focus, handheld toy. Yep. Okay, so let's open this up. And go. And just there we go. Okay, this one's pretty cool. It's light. It's lightweight though. It's light. Sorry guys, I'm so sorry. Mama. The ball bearings are pretty cool. So this is a cool one. I like this one. It's really fast spinning. So then we have this green one. It's pretty cool. Marian's spinner. Mama. Sorry guys, I'll be back. I was able to find a place, so here we go. We have red spinner, black spinner.
I have a purple one and the green one.
Cool.
How about the purple one?
So yeah. No, it broke. Sorry guys. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe, please comment, and please like this video for more fidget spinner action, and bye.